I'm going to do a reading from my book, Whispers of Heaven. It's available on Amazon if you would like. The link to purchase it is listed below our video. And today I'm reading from affirmative prayer. And I made the suggestion for this affirmative prayer to read this and to go watch the sunrise. And I wrote, "Good harmonizes my mind so that love sings in my heart. I am completely conscious of the all good in me. I am in complete unity with it. I release any idea of lack or limitation. Those ideas are the shadows of the truth, and they disappear before this right knowing, like the shadows fled the morning sun." So let's put these words of wisdom to work in our lives through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person and take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. I know there is only one God, one mind, and one power. And that power is perfect love. It's perfect intelligence. And it is showing up in my life through divine ideas. So here now, I release and let go of every idea that's ever held me back. Every idea of woundedness, victimhood, lack, and limitation. I put those ideas away, and today I lift my eyes up to a better knowing for myself. A knowing that the goodness and greatness of God is flowing through me, bringing to me every possibility of health, love, joy, and happiness. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.